Do you know AI can make learning and working so much easier, even for beginners and students? In this video, I share the best 5 free AI tools for students and beginners. These free AI tools can save you hours every week. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to answer questions, write essays, or summarize notes. It makes studying faster and easier. Tool number 2, Canva AI. Canva AI helps you design slides, posters, and social media posts in minutes. No design skills needed. Tool number 3, Quizlet/Anki. AI-assisted flashcards help you memorize information efficiently. Tool number 4, Grammarly. Grammarly uses AI to correct grammar, improve clarity, and enhance your writing. Tool number 5, CapCut AI. For student projects and video presentations, use this powerful tool. These AI tools are free and beginner-friendly. Subscribe to AI Made Simple for more easy AI tools that save you time.